Good day. I'm Xyla Paragas and I'm going to present a bank reconciliation. But first, let us define what is bank reconciliation and its use. Bank reconciliations are an essential internal control tool and are necessary in preventing and detecting fraud. They also help identify accounting and bank errors by providing explanations of the differences between the accounting record's cash balances and the bank balance position per the bank statement. Now, let us proceed in the presentation of bank account reconciliation. You can use the search function to search for bank account reconciliations. After you input the bank account reconciliation, it will appear below and you can click it. Or, you can go to Cash Management and simply choose Bank Account Reconciliations. The first thing you need to do is create a new statement. Next is you will need to select the bank that you would like to reconcile. For example, we will choose checking. The system will automatically update the statement number. Next, you would have to enter the statement date. After that, you can now see the balance last statement appearing in the statement ending balance. Now, here at the bottom part, you can see the bank account ledger entries. So based on the account that you've selected, you can see all open bank account ledger entries of the bank that haven't been reconciled yet. Next is to import or enter the bank statement lines, and it can be done by importing the bank statement or by suggesting lines, depending on the bank. If you don't have an electronic bank statement to import, you can also just run the suggest lines function. You can now enter the starting date and ending date. But in most cases, they leave the starting date blank and only enter the ending dates. Then, click OK. The system will automatically fill the bank statement lines. But since we didn't import an actual bank statement, we will only see the copy of the bank account ledger entries. We have one-on-one relation because the only source the system can get information on the potential bank statement lines or the open bank account ledger entries. Now, it's about checking the actual bank statement. The description should appear on the bank statement, but there are things that can happen. Example, it could be possible that a certain transaction that we already posted in Business Central doesn't appear on the bank statement. Maybe it was at the end of the month and will only appear on the bank statement of next month. Here at the left side, we can remove or delete files and suppose that this line doesn't appear on the input date statement but will appear on the next month statement. We will click delete and delete the line. Now, we can see in the right side is the line is not applied anymore. After posting the reconciliation, this is still considered as an open bank account ledger entry and will be suggested the next month. Another thing can happen is that amounts appear on the bank statement but are not posted yet in Business Central. Then, we need to post them in Business Central in order to reconcile them with the actual amounts on the bank statement lines. But first, if you see now on your bank statement an amount that you don't find back in Business Central, you have to enter it in bank statement lines. First, input the date, then choose document number, and enter description, then the amount. That's basically what appears on your bank account or bank statement and what you have to post in Business Central. Now, in order to post it, you should use the transfer to general journal action, then enter the template in the batch number and create a specific batch for your reconciliation. But you can also just use the default batch. Then, the system prepares a journal. You will need to enter your account and look for the input account that then you will see the amount appearing. That's something the system retrieve from the bank reconciliation, and the balancing account is your bank account. By posting this journal, the system will now of course create a new bank account ledger entry that you can use in the reconciliation. You just have to click on post, choose yes, and then everything is posted. You can now go back to your reconciliation and you can now see you have a new bank account in ledger entry. Since we have posted it, it is now automatically matched in bank statement lines. Now that you're ready with processing your bank account reconciliation, you can now post it. You can enter statement ending balance, then click on post, and you have posted your reconciliation. You can look at the results in bank accounts by going back to the home page, then click bank accounts, then you will choose checking. Next is you will click on again bank account, then choose ledger entries. Then after that, you can see all ledger entries are all closed, except for School of Fine Art and Trade Research bank account ledger entry, which was removed from reconciliation, means it is still open and will appear on the next bank account reconciliation. That is all. Thank you for watching.